So hello everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm here in front of you guys. So we will discuss three example in this video, and the question will be the previous question from the SAT exam. So let's discuss about these questions. So basically, I'm going to clear you the question from coordinate geometry. So you can see here the question number one saying, right, question number one is saying a line in xy plane passes through the origin and has slope 1 by 7. Which of the following points lie on the line? Okay, so first we will understand the question and we will understand the geometric idea of a solution and which option is clear. If you will get the answer by only looking the question, then you can drop a comment also. So firstly, what question saying the a line in xy plane. We have a line in xy plane. So I hope you have idea about the line. Equation of line. What is equation of line? If I will talk about you, the equation of line or slope form, because it has some form. So in slope form, y is equal to mx plus c. But the question saying the line passes through the origin. When the line passes through the origin, when the line passes through the origin, c is equal to 0. So my line is passing through the origin, so my final line is y is equal to mx. But this m is slope. So if I will put m is equal to 1 by 7, because this is given in the question, okay, so my equation is y is equal to 1 by 7 divided 1 by 7 into x. Now this is my equation of line. Now you have to work. You can draw this line by in xy plane also, and you can check whether all the options by putting the value. Suppose in option number A, if you will put x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 7, because this is ultimately x comma y. So if you will put x is equal to 0, this 0 you will put 0, then what you are getting here, y is equal to 0 divided by 7, so this is 0. So ultimately y is equal to 0. So your A option is wrong, because it is saying 0 comma 7. The option number B, if you will get x is equal to 1, y is equal to, put here 1, this is 1 by 7, so means the point should be 1 comma 1 by 7, but it is saying 1 comma 7, so this is wrong. The option number C, put x is equal to 7, so you are getting 7 divided by 7, so this is 1, so your point should be 7 comma 1, but it is saying 7 comma 7, that is also wrong. The option D, put x is equal to 14, so you are getting 14 divided by 7, this is 2, so means 14 comma 2, this is your correct option. It is satisfying the equation, and if you will draw the line, so you can say that the line will be looking like this. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. Your line is looking like, you can draw by equation, all by looking the equation. Okay, x is equal to 7y, because ultimately 7 will go multiply with y, so x is equal to 7y. So by looking this, when you are putting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7, means your x is equal to 1 here, and your 7 will be something like that. So your line is this. This is your straight line passing through the origin, or I can draw this line by the uh, straight line also. Like your line is looking like this. Basically, this is your line. Okay, that is your line passes through the origin. Okay, so this is your line. Y is equal to 1 by 7x. Okay, I hope the idea is clear to you in the question number one. That is a very easy question. Okay, you can do that. We have checked all the options in the question by slope form. Okay, then we have taken the condition when the line passes through the origin, so the constant, because this is the constant, so constant should have to be 0. Then final equation was y is equal to mx. Just we have put the value y is equal to m, sorry, m is equal to 1 by 7. Okay, the another question, question number 2. It is also very easy question. If t greater than 0 and t square minus 4 is equal to 0, what will be the value of 0? Oh my god, that is very easy question. So what is the solution? How we will solve that? Because t is equal to 0. If t square minus 4 is equal to 0, so what we can say? What we can say? T square is equal to 4 means I can write that. Okay, just I need to factor these equation. This is t square minus 4. So I can open that formula. Is firstly I'm writing t square minus the square of 2 is equal to 0. Now I'm applying the formula a square minus b square is equal to the a plus b and a minus b. Okay, this is the formula I'm going to apply here. This is t plus 2 and t minus 2 by the formula. It is going to be 0. Now, if my t less than 0, see what is going to happen here. If t less than 0, what can you say about the t plus 2? If t less than 0, so I can say that t less than 0, because t less than 0, the t plus 2 less than 2. Yes, t plus 2 be less than 2. Okay, because t plus 2 less than 2. If, and what about the t minus 2? T minus, because t less than 0, so I can say that t minus 2 should be less than of minus 2. Yes, because just I am adding these. So here what we are getting, because my t plus 2 should be less than 2. See, t plus 2 should be less than 2. T plus 2 should be less than 2 and t minus 2 should be less than minus 2. So ultimately, because this is less than 2 and this is minus less than 2, ultimately you will, and the condition is you are getting t plus 2, t minus 2 is equal to 0. So here the t square minus 4 is equal to 0, that is given in the question. T square is equal to 4. Now we have given t is positive. If t is positive, what will be the value of t? I mean, what is the condition of t? The condition can be whole. So, because t positive, the t is positive. So ultimately, for holding that condition, my t should be what? 2 and minus 2. Okay, because these are here the two conditions the holding is. If t is equal to 2, your t square is 4. If t is equal to minus 2, your t square is equal to 4. So here, because my t positive, so I need to neglect t is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Okay, I think there is no need to do that thing. There is no need to do that. There is no need to do. Actually, I was making some bound of 2, and I was totally thinking towards the different thing. But don't worry, here this is very easy question. T square minus 4 is equal to 0. So ultimately t square is equal to 4. And by here also you can say that, because you can write this. So here the t is equal to 2 and t is equal to minus 2, because t is positive. So you need to neglect that value. So t is equal to 2. So your answer is 2. Okay. The next question, question number 3, and that is very easy question. Let's solve this. Question number 3. What question number 3 says? Which of the following is an equation of circle in xy plane with center 0, 4 and radius with endpoints? So firstly, I would like to give you the uh, equation of circle. What is equation of circle? Equation of circle, when equation of circle when h comma k center. When the center is h comma k, what is the equation of circle? X minus h the whole square and the whole square of y minus k is equal to r square, where the r is the radius of circle, and h comma k is the center. So in this case, we have given this in xy plane, we have a circle and center 0, 4 and with endpoint 4, 3, 4. Endpoint of what? The endpoint of circle we have given. So if we have given endpoint of circle and the center of the circle, then are you able to draw the equation of circle also? Let's discuss. So this is the equation of circle, but for getting the equation of circle, I need h comma k. So we have given h comma k is what? Center of circle. So this is given 0, 4, which is given. But we have not given radius. That is the important point in this question. You need to find the radius of circle. So how? Let's understand geometrically. Let's understand geometrically how your question is looking. So here, let's. This is your xy plane, x and y. So your center is 0, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 0, 4. So the 0, 4 will be lie here. This is 0, 4 because this is the center of circle. So I need to find the radius. I need to find the radius. So the radius will be what? Because we have another point that is lying on the circle also, and that is the end point of the circle also. So just what is the end point? The end point is 4 by 3 comma 5. So 4 by 3 comma 5, try to draw the point in xy plane. So this is, suppose this is my 1, so the 1 will be like 1 will be here. So 1 by 3 will be something here. This is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 comma 5. So 1 by 3 comma 5, this is 5. This will be 1 by 3 comma 5. 1 by 3 comma 5. Okay, so this is the end point of the circle. If I will draw the straight line with the origin or with the center and the given point 1 by 3 comma 5, I can draw a new circle. I can draw a circle. So because I have given that distance, but the I need to find the radius, and I have given the point. So the point F suffer. The point 4 by 3 comma 5 is, yes, end point. So the end point is 4 comma 3 comma 5. Let's understand by the uh, by uh, zoom out. So here, like this is suppose 0 comma 4, and this is your point. What point? 1 by 3 comma 5. So I'm drawing a circle. I'm drawing a circle with that. So I know the distance, that distance. This is distance 1. This distance is 1. And I also have idea about this distance also. This is distance 1 by 3. If I want to find that distance, and I can easily find by the Pythagoras theorem. So this is, suppose this is like a triangle A, B, C, and I want to find the length of AB. So I can say that this is nothing but the square of AC and the square of BC and the root. This is AB because my radius is AB. So I need to find the value of AB. So AC is what? AC is 1 to the square and BC is 1 by 3. So the square of 1 by 3. Let me check this. This is 4 by 3, not 1 by 3. This is 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3. This is what is the calculated AB? This is 1 plus 16 by 9 in the roots. This is 25 by 9. This is lastly 5 by 3. So your AB is 5 by 3. Now you have the radius. R is equal to 5 by 3. You have idea about the radius now and center now. What we are trying we was trying to find the that R. Just put the value in the formula. So I am putting the value in the formula. So this is x minus 0 because my h is 0 and k is 4. So x minus 0 square y minus 4 square is equal to, so my radius is what? My radius is 5 by 3. So here 5 by 3 square. So finally x square plus y minus 4 square plus, sorry, is equal to 25 by 3. This is final answer of the equation of circle. So what option number 2? Which option number is true? Option number A is true, right? Option number A is true. Okay, so we have discussed in this video 3 questions. If you have any doubt in these 3 questions, you can drop me a comment. So I will provide you a detailed solution or detailed concept of your doubt. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye. Take care.